Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Find the area of the following shape. So this shape can be converted to three rectangles this way. I'm putting a line over here. It should be a bit below, yes, correct. And this one over here. So these are three rectangles. So area of a rectangle is length multiplied by breadth square units. So we can easily find area of these three rectangles, and area of shape will be sum of all rectangles. So let's see, area of this rectangle is, this is breadth and this is length. So this is FC. Area of this rectangle is, this is length B and this is breadth E. So let's see, plus BE. And area of this rectangle is going to be, now this is entire is A and this is E, so this is going to be A minus E. Length is A minus E. And if we look at the breadth, it is okay, B subtracting D. Only this much we need, so B minus D. So this is nothing. Let me write few things. Area of shape equal to sum of areas of three rectangles. Therefore, area of shape equal to this. So this is area of shape equal to this. So let's expand this because such an option is not in the given options. So let's see, CF plus PE plus multiplication of these two brackets. So A multiplied by B, A multiplied by D will be AB minus AD, and E multiplied by B, E multiplied by D will be minus BE plus DE. So this plus BE minus BE get cancelled out and we are left with CF plus AB minus AD plus DE. So let's take A common out of these two. We have A into B minus D plus CF plus DE. So area of shape is this. So answer is option D.